What's up, traders? It's Mark. Today is Friday. Happy Friday, gang. I'm going to do a quick video. I'm going to make this fast. It's been a long week. So I'm just doing a quick update on some forex trades, and then I want to run through the day trading system on the Nasdaq, because as you guys saw on Wednesday, it got completely smashed. So I'm curious to see how the week ends up after having a large it was a large losing day comparatively speaking, but anyway, we'll get to that. So I have a new trade put on the New Zealand CAD right here. So looking for a move to 91.32, and my stop on this one is 90.38. So entry price here at 62, stop down here at 38. And again, gang, I am going to try and get more done this weekend on setting up my email list, and then I'll let you guys know when it's ready. So what I want to test, and I'm going to need a test group for this, I just want to test like pushing stuff out to you guys via email and see if I can get that done in a much more efficient manner, because I realize there's no way in hell you can follow these trades. So, but I'm showing them anyway because, well, what else am I going to do? Alright, so let's go to the current open trades. See, pound Aussie. I'm just going through my list here. And, you know, I had a handful of these trades getting really close to target, and now they've just pulled back. So, on the pound Aussie, the entry was right here at 73.08, and I'm looking for a 100 pip move. So you can see it wasn't that far away. It got to 90, and now it's pulled all the way back to my entry. So I'm sure you guys have had that happen to you plenty of times. Okay, Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie, so short right back here. And again, on this one, I'm looking for a 100 pip move. So see if it can get down there. Euro yen was stopped out. Entry was here, and again, I mean, just can't quite continue. I mean, I get some nice moves out of here, and then it just dies. So this one got stopped out. Okay, and then the last but not least, the Euro Pound. Or did I already cover Euro Pound? No. Euro Pound is actually a new trade here. So here, this is a level inside of the weekly and the daily level, and I am sitting at or near the 200 on the daily, and this one has a 70 pip target and a 25 pip stop. So as I'm getting more numbers in here, one thing that is starting to actually shake out in my favor is if I use this 10 period moving average on the weekly, and if I have criteria that says the prior week candle has to have closed above the 10 period for a long. Okay, I don't have to be above the 10 period. I just need the prior week candle to have closed above, or closed below for a short. So if I do that, I do reduce my profit some, but more importantly, what's happening is I increase my average winning trade. So my average winning trade right now over 30 trades is 60 pips for $1,560. If I take out any trades that were against that criteria, my profit drops to $1,379, but my average win goes to 115 pips, and my trade count goes down to 15. So honestly, I'd much rather have this, right? I can open up the universe to more forex pairs and trade larger size. Alright, so let's get into the Nasdaq system. I have not looked at the charts today, guys. It has been extremely busy lately. All right, gang, let's go over the trades for the Nasdaq real quick. Okay, so one thing I also want to take a look at is looking at patterns inside these 15-minute and the 5-minute zones. So if I got like a money pattern out of one of those, or a weaker high-low, or an equal high-low pattern, look to take those trades. But for now, let's just go through the trades for the day and see how the week ended up, because Wednesday was a bloodbath. So, all right, we start the day off green and green. Let's go. No trade out of this zone. Got a trade right here. That's a loser. Trade right here. Target be 55. So you got one win, one loss. Okay, no trades. Oh wait, let's go back up here. Did I have a? I had a. Look at that, got a nice little weaker high right there, right outside of the zone. That was a really nice trade. All right, so anyway, one win, one loss. Okay, now I'm red and red. I'd have a trade here for a loss. So it's 2 losses and 1 win. Still red and red. Okay, let's look at this one. 24.75 to 25 quarter. That's a trade. I'd be in at 23 quarter. Be a 6 tick stop. And there's your target. So that's 2 wins, 2 losses. Okay. It's too bad this wasn't inside that 15-minute zone. Look at this nice money pattern right here out of that 15-minute zone. Man, that's gorgeous. All right, so I'm 2 and 2. Okay, I'm not red yet. Okay, it turns red here. So I'd have a trade here, so that's 3 and 2. Okay, it's 3 ticks away. Okay, so here, this would be a trade right here. Well, this is gonna be ugly. I'm 3 and 2. This is gonna be a trade. 25. Stopped. Okay, so there's 4 and 2. Boy, I'd be getting right back in. All right, 5 and 2. 6 and 2, and 7 and 2, and 8. Holy crap. That's ridiculous. Oh boy. He's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades out of there. I don't think I would be taking all those. And look what, if you guys look at this real quick, what do all these have in common? They're all trading directly into that 5-minute 200 moving average, and it is completely flat. But I'm going to count them all. We're just going to go with it. 8 and 2. See, the bottom of that zone on the 15-minute chart is 44.75, so it is not in. I'm not inside the zone. I have a trade right. Nope, not right there. I'd have a trade right here. So that's 9 and 2. Here's another nice money pattern out of here. Would not have hit target. Okay, that's it. 9-2. Wow, that wraps up honestly a pretty tough week. Let me go fill that in on the spreadsheet. And then we'll talk about the 12 range a little bit too. Okay, so 9. That makes this one 31. And 7. Guys, all right. This is truly a great lesson. I had 2 really bad days. One was 14 trades with 13 losses, and then you just saw this day, which 11 trades, 9 losses, 18%. Okay, now you can see I've had a handful of 18%, right? Now, this one happened to be right at a 0% return. Let's see how many trades were in there. 34 versus 38. Yep, that's the difference. Just the commissions and slippage. So, a 3% return on the week. I mean, if you average 3% return a week, guys, you're still making a very hefty annual profit, right? But I'm averaging a hell of a lot over that. And so far, 188% return since basically the 1st of November. Worst week so far was Christmas. Is the only 2 down weeks. If you remove Christmas, only 1. Now let's go look at the 12 range. So the difference between the 12 range strategy and the tick chart, I don't have any filters. I don't have a trend filter. So I trade counter trend all the time, and even with that, still 39% return in the last just over a month. So, guys, I'm tracking literally every trade here. I'm at 450 trades now, so I'm really getting a nice sample size. Anyway, I hope you guys are enjoying the analysis. Hopefully after this weekend I'll have a way to send some stuff out to you. I know I keep saying that, but I'm trying. I'm trying to build it myself because I want to know how so I can update it on a regular basis. All right, gang. Have a great weekend.